Okay, so I'm sitting here in my Jeep, and I was riding. You just gotta watch this. It's pretty cool. It's my T1, and what it does to my headlights. My car literally blinks at people. It's pretty funny.
Cut the music up. Let it out. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of crooks try to steal your heart. Never really had luck. Couldn't never figure out how to love. How to love. Yeah, had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you in the corner trying to put it together. How to
Yeah, I need a new alternator too. Now, I fucked that fucker up. So yeah, it makes the headlights blink. So that's pretty cool.